Okay, we're going to take a look and see where these coolant components are located on this vehicle. Let's see what we have here. Here's our upper radiator hose right down in here where my hand is. Behind that, this plastic housing with the bolt. Black plastic down here. That's where your thermostat is. A little hard to get to, not too bad. This one here, here's our upper radiator hose over here. Comes over here, comes around on this side. I noticed this is the overflow tank on this vehicle. It's got some identification stuff on here. This is showing min-max on the container. It shows a fan. On the front here, I don't know if you can really see it very good. So a lot of times on the front right here where I'm pointing, there's a max and a min. So this is a little low, it's about here. So you should be kind of in between these two marks here if your coolant is full. I look down inside there. You can see it's like a reddish orange color down there. Let's see. Don't see a lot of other hoses or anything. This has electric fans. A little hard to see because they're buried down here, but they do say here, if you see this label here, see the hand and the fan, it's basically saying don't put your hand down in there. Here it says to mix 50% coolant with 50% water. All right, so that's another vehicle. Let's look at this vehicle here. Okay, this is a Infinity. Okay, so we're gonna open up the hood. Again, there's a latch down by the passenger or driver's side there. Up over here, we're gonna open up the hood. On this one, there's this little latch. You have to put your hand under there to find that. This one here, this tank on the top is the overflow bottle. This is where you put the coolant in. I don't know if you can read that. It says coolant. Here's the radiator cap on this vehicle. Again, it's not hot. I touched it with my hand. This one uses the green antifreeze. You can see it. Here's our radiator cap. So there's a little tube that comes off the radiator cap for overflow. This is basically our overflow bottle. It also sucks the fluid out of there, so it has a min-max on it somewhere. It's a little hard to see. It looks like it's on this side. Yeah, it's buried down in the front there. Here's our upper radiator hose. You can see it here. Comes across, connects onto the radiator. This has electric cooling fans on it also. I don't know if you can see it down. Let's see. Behind the radiator hose here. So there's a cooling fan down there. You can kind of see the top of it. They do have caution here. Fan blade can start at any time to help avoid personal injury. Keep your hands clear. All right, so that's where some of the components are located on this engine related to the cooling system.